Buddha wants you to remember, you must always plug in the battery before the charge controller. Frickin' charge controller, always forgetting that it's 12 volt and not 42. You feed them, you send them to school, and they're still frickin' stupid. Ooh, nipple pinchers. Everyone in the club's a freak until the nipple pinchers come out. So yeah, no matter what you do, remember you plug the batteries into the charge controllers first, or the charge controllers don't know what you're doing. You gotta especially do that if you're silly like me and you're mixing the 42 volt with the 12 volts. Ugh, I gotta get out there and clean that up. So I got this one single charge controller that just forgets that it's 12 volt. Man, I'm lucky the neighbors haven't complained about the dog. Why do people have dogs they just leave outside all day? Just don't get a dog. Had to clean up the wiring a little bit back here. It was looking a little crazy. So, yep, that's the test solar panel. Skelly Beans over here likes to use it to help him watch Oprah and whatnot, but he left his TV out over the winter, so I'm not sure if that's going to be a thing. It's Metroplex's head. I wondered where I put that. So, my boy, Skelly Beans, he likes the European cars. Yep, he likes taking it easy and messing with Ouija boards. He's got his religious spam collection over here, yeah. Anyways, remember, you must always plug in the battery before the solar panel. That's all.